Hey guys, it's Britt with the Beach Show. I miss you. I can't wait to tell you about this deal we have on the east end of Panama City Beach. Very convenient location off of Thomas Drive, close to the Navy base, and priced at only $215. Check it out.
Beachy Beach.
This 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath townhome with attached garage offers a community pool and a fitness room. Open floor plan on the bottom with a kitchen with granite countertops and stainless steel appliances, a neutral color palette, and 10-foot ceilings, and a great outdoor deck off the back. The master offers a walk-in closet, tray ceilings, his or her vanity, and just enough space for a low HOA and priced at $215. Give us a call.